Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to reinstall Netflix app. So to do this, it's very simple. First of all, you should go to the Netflix app and delete it if you already have it on your phone. Click on remove app and after that click on delete app. And after that, you have to go to the App Store here and look for Netflix, and when you find the app here, instead of open, it should show you something like install. You have just to click on it, and like that you will reinstall the Netflix app on your phone. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to like this video and see you in the next